CAC is going to be delisting 100,000 businesses. The question here is your business part of these businesses? If your business is part of these businesses, here's how you will know. I'll be dropping a link in the description below where I'll be sharing the list of companies that the Corporate Affairs Commission is going to be delisting. But before you go ahead and click the link below, watch this video to see why your company might be part of those companies before you even start searching from the 100,000 companies. My name is Ezekiel, and we create content about Corporate Affairs Commission, CAC registration, business registration, NAFDAC registration, and different other registration, as well as Facebook ads and other content that allow your business to grow. Without any further ado, let's go into today's video. Make sure you are subscribed to this channel, giving this video a thumbs up, and make sure you click on the notification bell as I reveal this particular important information to all business owners. Now, the first thing to take note is that there is what is called the annual return filing for every business. Every business must carry out annual return filing. If you don't carry out annual return filing, your business will become inactive, dormant, and it will be struck off. The advantages of filing annual return is very numerous, and there are a lot of disadvantages from not filing annual return, which include payment of penalty for all the years that are accumulated. So why not start filing your annual return from today, right now? So the first thing I also want to take note is that those particular list of companies that are not filing the annual return for 1, 2 to 10 years will be delisted from the CAC database. Are you owing any annual return? Now, this is how to know if you're actually owing any annual return so far. The first thing you need to check is, when was your company registered? So let's give an instance. If your company was registered in 2018, here's the number of years that you need to file. You file for 2019, 2020, 2021, 22, 23, 24. That's 6 years that need to be filed. So let's assume your company was registered in 2016. Now let's count. You file for 2017, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. That is 8 years. Now let's take it a bit further. If your company was registered in 2010, that means you'll be filing for 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. You'll be filing for 14 years. So any company that exceeds the 10 years grace period will be delisted and will be struck off from the Corporate Affairs Commission's portal. Now, one of the things why it will be very easy for CAC to do this is because right now they are trying to clear, and possibly from my own opinion, they are trying to clear their database of all the companies that are inactive, either the owners are no longer alive or they are no longer using the business and they just leave the business dormant without doing anything to the business, right? So they are trying to clear all those dormant businesses. So any business that doesn't file annual return for the past 10 years will be cleared from the CAC portal. So if your registration is from 2014 to 2024, then you need to make sure that you go and check the list and be sure that your business is not part of that particular list. 100,000 businesses. If your business is there, it will be cleared. Now, why do you think I'm even concerned about you carrying on this annual return filing? Or why am I even caring that you go and check if your name is there or not? Now, this is the first important thing that you must take note of. If your business registration or your business is part of the 100,000 list and it is being struck off, now let's say, for instance, you're actually using the business for, the business operational. What will happen is that, number one, if anything happens, the business would have been struck off, and the money you're going to spend to revive the business. It's always said that something that is, how will I put it now? Something that is still alive or about to die is still better than something that is dead finally, right? So imagine if the business is dead finally. What is there for you to resuscitate the business will be more than what you would have spent to just activate the business since it is inactive. Now, all you need to do, simple step, if you have clicked on the link below and confirm that your name or your business name is there, just click on the next link that is there, or and send me a DM right now so that we can check the number of years that you need to file. We file the number of annual returns that we need to file for you, and your business will come alive. And if you are part of those that the business has already been delisted, no problem. We will still have a solution for you. We are going to walk you through the process of making sure that our business is brought back to life and made active. Even though you're going to pay more, but the business can be brought back to life, right? I hope I've given you so much value. And for those of you that your business is not part of the list and you are just owing 3-4 years, please file your annual return today, so that sales will not change their mind and say that they want to target you. My name is Akinbola Ezekiel, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.